One day, Coach, they'll learn to listen to you.
Yeah, the momentum is down also. Actually, the best who did the best fill? I think it was back to sleep now. Good news and bad news. Missed $1,000 trade, but you got some extra sleep. And take add to your short. Add I got back in, guys, 421. Reasonable risk. I did get out at, you know, at 21 and at 50. I see. That's how I looked at it. So if that's your situation. Now, guys, what's the stop? 430, right? with some answers. Those who didn't. Yeah. And that means have fear that because everybody qualified. Three things. I'm not trade two seconds talking about trade board. It could be Denny. Lauren, same thing to you. If you're out and you say, I need high Stokes and going down to 241. Then
Plan. We will regulate you all day long.
yeah,
If you don't have a plan, you
right. If you're just afraid, no, you should be afraid. You're just in here traded for. Then yes, your gambler should be afraid, and you shouldn't trade. You should just listen to it, take up, and you get some great calls. But don't take the calls because you don't know what you're doing. 410 is the stop now, guys. Anyone who's how many are still short now? For me, anyway, 410. I'm lowering point increment. So every time you lower your stop, you're making 10 ticks on your trade. Added 241. See, I don't know, Bob. At 399 is my stop now. Can you risk it if you get stopped out at 399? Is it worth it for you at 349? Tell me how much you want to risk. See, it's all about the risk. Right now, the stop is 399. Where would you enter? 369, then it's a 30-point risk. It's really that simple. We don't need an analysis to determine which way the trend is. It's down. The only question is, how much are we willing to risk? I did add, Bob, when it broke below 52, I put a stop in at 53. 53 was my stop on the ad. And I put 2 contracts on, and it was 32-point risk. So I went back in at 21. I need 22 points. On this new trade, not the original one. The original one, I made 61 points. Does that make sense, guys? There's another, as you see, right there. And if you start off with 99 as a stop, you could always lower it. And now I will do
Nobody's replying to me because I'm mean today. I'd be mean to the
He's mean, but you're making money, so that should count for something. $389 is my stop right now, guys. If I get stopped out, I'll go back in. I also have a sell stop to go short to add at right now at 331. Okay, so it's up to the market. If it goes to 331, I go back in short M, right? 331. Can't get this down here too much. Otherwise, my trailing stop would be hit.
Seriously, guys, anybody still in with me? You guys sitting on sidelines? What's going on?
I am. I have a stop and I have an add.
Hey, how about that?
Because if it goes lower, guys, it's
There you go,
Coach said too. It's another M in a downtrend. You could take it.
Thank you, guys. You guys think I'm being mean today or just direct?
It's like the personal trainer says, stop smoking, do 2 more reps. Is he mean or does he want you to get in shape? Anybody here have a personal trainer?
Thank you, Kev Dog. Lauren, thank you.
No, I can lose weight by myself. Don't need anybody to tell me to.
What does supply zone mean, Sarda? Explain that to me. Supply zone. What does that mean?
The supply zone.
Like
resistance,
like army surpluses.
Yeah, logistics.
That you shop at. Is that like the place, the zone?
It's my cookies.
Because where your cookies are.
It's my bag of cookies, man.
It's supply of cookies.
Previous contracts were bought there. Okay.
How do you know that for a fact? How many contracts? How many contracts were bought there? Okay, that's cool. I'm just wondering why. I'm curious this morning. I want to know what's going through you guys' head. We spill the dumb crap that comes out of our heads every single day, trying to figure out what's going through you guys' heads.
Guys, what Coach is doing, it's called the Socratic method. Just question. They do that in law school. Harvard Law School does that. Believe it or not. It'll be like, yeah, well, the guy got shot and he sued them for wrongful death. Why? Why do you get paid for, And it's like, huh? Oh, it's obvious. What do you mean? After a while, you start questioning yourself. And that's what you're supposed to be doing, called critical thinking. And that's why I would say, the market could go up after a report. It could go down. We're dealing with probabilities. Now, what are the probabilities? How would you know your own probability? Forget what we tell you. How would you learn your own probability? They're not going to like us. We're all asking all these damn hard questions. By keeping records. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, what kind of statistics, guys? Your own records, right? How many? If I ask, what is the success rate on an M trade? Would you take our numbers or your own? Which is better?
Everybody that's been through coaching with me knows the answer to that question.
Know how to do it, right? And you could go and tell the coach, I'm right 74% of the time. We
actually have a member who takes great W trades and can't find M's to save their life. And I said, okay, guess what trade you don't take?
Yeah.
M's.
There you go.
Simple.
That's the false jump trading method.
How do you think we found that out?
We have statistics on clients. Who wins, who loses, what their strategy is. That was good.
The gambler who's not a gambler.
Mm.
Are you in the gambler category, guys?
This was what, Legally Blonde on that one, right? I think that was the movie.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's funny.
I was wondering, like, what is that? Oh yeah, Harvard Law School. Some say Princeton is better. Who knows? I went to lowly Manhattan College. Hey, one of my good friends is driving an oil truck. You have to go into Manhattan College. So college alone isn't going to do it for you. No, this is my cell stop. I have a cell stop there.
No, I'm asking these guys to actually think about it.
Okay.
Could this be another pivot that price?
Yeah. It's the big pivot. The thick line is twice as successful as the thin line.
Well, it could be the institutions could be following the ES pivot, could be the close pivot, could be we have the close, could be I don't know.
Anybody go to Ohio State? Don't talk to the
Gross. Get out of here.
He's gonna ban you for a week at least. Don't say, just lie.
Yeah, just lie.
Went to Georgia. I went to Georgia. Hillary went to Georgia. Hey, the other one found out who went to Toccoa, born in Toccoa, Georgia, was Hulk Hogan.
Good old Terry Hogan. I can understand why he changed his name to Hulk.
Yeah. The Rock. I wonder if that's the reference to the drugs that he takes, the steroids, or or the rock of crack.
Oh, that man has an insane eating and fitness regimen.
He probably started on the steroids after he blew out his knee.
Georgia.
Out. Yeah.
Oh, he did that. NFL when he tried out for the NFL.
Yeah. So competitive.
He's making way more now. He's probably glad his pro football career did.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good morning, Coach Hugo. I'm being mean this morning, so hopefully people aren't getting mad at me.
Coach is on the warpath. And let me finish. Yeah, it's so interesting. I'm stopping my numbers. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay, thanks. Guess what we're looking for? Longs or shorts, Coach Hugo? I mean that, John. Seriously, it's a good gamble. It's low risk. You can do that. If you're going to gamble, take very low risk. Then you can trade a coin flip. Oh, okay. There you go. It's in his plan. If it's in your plan, do it. Thank you. We're really going to start harping on you guys about having a plan and sticking to it. It's more important than any trade call we could possibly make. What do you guys think about that? Is it or is it not? All right, guys. Seriously, what's more important, a plan or your trade calls? Tell me now or get out of the room. There we go. That'll wake you
Plan.
guys
Yeah.
up. That'll wake you guys up. Thank you. I appreciate that. Sometimes I have to be a little bit of a meanie to get everybody going in the right direction.
Well, it's getting cold up there where you are. So the colder it gets,
The meter I get.
yeah, it's like a trigger mechanism in the metabolism. Got to keep warm by squeezing some newbies.
Yeah. If you have a plan, your probability gets in your favor. Then, if you have great trade setups or trade calls, you increase your probability. How about that? And then, if you know your statistics on what trade setups work for you or trade calls that work for you, do you think your probability goes up or down?
Let's see. I get my old math books out.
Yeah, I'm going to slap ourselves on the back. Yes, it goes up. We make absolutely great trade calls. You know how many days go by without somebody telling us they got stopped out on one of our trade calls? 0 days.
Yeah.
You didn't get stopped out on a trade call. It's because you didn't have a plan to enter the trade.
And usually it's too late and after the trade is over.
You guys follow me on this? If you don't have a plan, get in pro. We'll help you build one. We have a program for that. We'll help you. I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. You guys know that. I don't give a crap if you buy anything from us. We want you guys to be good traders. And I'm going to be rough on you today because this is your Christmas present from Coach Brian. If you want a coaching session, you better start tracking your statistics. You better do a trade log. Act like a professional in this business, and we'll treat you as such.
It's the only way you're going to learn, guys. Otherwise, you're just hanging on. It's like a groupie in a rock band. Listen to the music, hang out.
Thanks, Mike. Do I sound raspy this morning, Mike? feel ornery. I'm gonna mess with some people. Mike called me stupid during boot camp, and I took that to heart, and I embraced it. And I said, you know what? I can be dumb and still make money because I have a plan. I'm just screwing with you, Mike. You know that.
See, I don't remember that. Anna called us stupid. She said we were throwing chickens at her. She said, that's stupid. How can I learn from someone throwing a chicken at me? A rubber chicken. That doesn't teach me anything.
There you go. Thank
Is.
you, Bob. Mike, you have to know I'm playing around.
Wow, that's cool.
Down.
Age 10, yeah.
Just let me hold on to that one thing, Mike, please. Thank you. It's funny.
Market's really calm right here. It hasn't hit 331, hasn't hit 389 either. It's just sitting. We've got 9 minutes left for the open. I'm still hanging in there with Coach's short call. And, you know, it's not up to me now. I've let the burden to Mr. Market. And I won't blame the coach. I'll blame Mr. Market. I'll say, well, he decided to go up, stop me out, or he decided to go down and add at 331. I have no control over this. I know the odds.
Making me money one way or the other.
Yeah. The odds favor it going down, but it could go up because odds aren't perfect. We don't say 100%.
There's also no way you can lose on this trade. Oh, wait. That mythical 100-point gap up that stops you at 100 points.
Yeah. But then again, the same thing, guys. You could stop at a toll booth and a tractor trailer loses his brakes behind you and just goes smashing through. So don't drive. I looked at one of those, you know, there's a new thing now, Road Wars. Do you ever see that? Oh, my God. There was this accident. A guy goes through the red light. You know, everybody has body cams now. So the guy goes through the red light and the other car through the green light hits him sideways. The car flips up in the air, rolls over. There was a pedestrian crossing. It missed the pedestrian by like 2 feet. And it keeps rolling, and then it flips up in the air again, and another car going the other direction lands on top of the car, and the car goes to a halt. So the guy who ran the red light is actually upside down on the top of another car in the opposite direction that he was originally going. Then another one, oh man, there was this little kitten, and this woman's on a motorcycle, and she's at a light, and this busy intersection, and I mean, this kitten is like 3 weeks old in the middle of it, and there's a tractor trailer coming right at it, and it just sort of scampers a little bit. The tractor trailer rolls over. There's the kitten still rolling back out the other way, and another van misses it, and the woman like goes with a motorcycle to stop all traffic, grabs the cat, and she said, well, here's the cat now. And that was like 5 years ago, and there's this big fat cat on her couch. That was the cat. And you're looking at these things. There's a tractor trailer, like the wheels are like an inch away, and the cat somehow rolled under it. This little kitten. And they found how it got there. They showed a video of another car driving. The mother cat put the kitten in the engine block to keep it warm. And it fell out of the engine and just dropped on the road. Unbelievable. Talk about survival. I mean, you can't do stunts this amazing. Steven Spielberg couldn't set up a stunt like that. All right, guys, we have 6 minutes. Everybody got the numbers, by the way? And the schedule. It's in the comments, the schedule for this week. Friday, we're open, normal trading hours, and it's closed Sunday, all day Monday, opens 5 p.m. Central on Monday.
I will still be here a half day Friday.
All right.
Got family stuff to do.
So some traders are, oh man, he's going to ask us more questions Friday. Oh man.
Hopefully, it doesn't gap up 100 ticks and blow through my stop on the open, coach.
Yeah. And if it does, I'll make some money, but not as much as I'd like. But
Yeah.
everybody's green to start the day now, right?
Please say yes.
So
if you're not green, tell us. We'll help you. Obviously,
yeah, we will. Yeah,
we really will help you. You guys know that.
We push you guys, but we still want you to be successful traders.
Yeah. Good. All right.
And just again, for newer people coming in, hate to keep harping on this. First, we don't like you to trade the first 6 minutes. Do not trade the first 6 minutes after the open. Now wait for the market to give you an indication where buying and selling occurs. Also, if you're new, don't trade. Don't start, oh, I'll take this call, I'll take that call, whether it's on a simulator or not. Just get a lay of the land questions. Find out what we're doing. Ask questions, write notes. Ask other traders. Be aware of that volatility number, 182. We had a couple of estimates. Not everybody posted their volatility estimates, but I think we had one that was 180. It was pretty close. It's a good one. So the market can move 180 points up or down. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if it runs up to accommodate those people who missed the short so they can get short. Yesterday it was up 500 points. Maybe this is the support area that it's going to bounce off of and go up. We don't know. All we can do is follow the market. 3 more minutes to the open.
John, how'd it go on the NQ trade? How'd the NQ trade go, John? Make money, lose money, still in it? Nice job, John. Hunters, wood snails. I really like your trading style. Good. But the thing I know about you is you have a plan and you stick to it. Here's the great thing about wood snails, guys. He has a plan and sticks to it no matter what trade we call. If the trade we call is in wood snail's plans, he takes it. If it's not, what do you do, John? He doesn't take it. So here's your disclaimer, ladies and gentlemen. If the trades we call are not in your plan, do not take them. We will make lots of trade calls today, even counter trend trades. I know that's an awful word. How many times yesterday were we still in a trade and we called a opposite position trade and both parties made money? 6 at least. Will trade. Oh man. He's one of my favorites. On the plane? What? Where's Will Trade flying to? Find out where he's flying to. Hopefully somewhere warm. Did you guys? Oh, I found out yesterday. If the prediction holds true, tomorrow Saturday. I have to look at my phone. Tomorrow Saturday will be the coldest day in St. Pete in 10 years.
Wow.
10 years. And wow. The funny thing about that, still not going to go below 32 degrees. Nana boo boo.
30 seconds to the open, guys. I'm going to go ice skating on the Gulf of Mexico.
There's Will Trade. That's my buddy.
Still have a 31 stop, but
All right. New York's not that bad. I don't know what it is about New York. Is for some reason it doesn't get that. Oh, coach, sorry. I'm being retarded this morning. I can't say that word. Sorry. I'm acting like I have an extra Y chromosome this morning.
we're open for business, guys.
I took coach's phrase away from him. Open for business. Tick started low. Excel sheet. Coho, please do. Did you send a request on the main website, Coho, for that Excel sheet? Could you please do that, and we'll get it sent right over to you? Thank you. Somebody here has got to have a link to it. Somebody got a link to it, right? I'm not good with stuff like that. Yeah, no, seriously, if you send a request on the main site, we'll get it right over to you. Any advanced traders?
The permission can be short right now, guys. Short.
I was just saying the same thing, Coach. Sorry.
That's all right.
No trading for 6 minutes. Those of you that are new, I don't know if Coach gave you guys those on trial. I don't know if Coach gave you a disclaimer this morning. Did you, Coach?
Yeah, about 5 minutes ago.
Okay, perfect. Yep, trial people. Take your time. Enjoy us. Don't forget, today is basic training at 12 p.m. If you're on trial, I would highly suggest you show up to basic training. That way you get a lay of the land. You'll find out that I'm not as mean as I'm acting this morning, even though some people say I am. And good job, those of you who have permission to trade the open. Or, you know what, Coach?
Half off, guys. Half off.
Or
Going
stop.
down 241, final target. Still in this trade.
That's what I was going to say. Our stop didn't. It didn't run up 200 ticks against us and gap us out.
Nope. 89 was the stop. Missed it by like 8 ticks. 241.
I love it. Will Trade. That's all right. Hey, Will Trade. I love it. You're on the app. You're listening in. That's a person committed. All right, I'll stop BSing, Coach. Being in a winning trade takes a lot of pressure off. Having to get in a trade. Who stayed in with us? Who stayed in with Coach and I? Did anybody stay in with us to revel in the spoils of our victory? Thank you, Nick.
Final target 241.
Thank you, David. Yes, Chad. I would expect it from the people I've done coaching with. So, good job, guys. Nice. I only have one left, Cappy. You're front running me. Stop. Good job, Tex Bob. And if S1 breaks, guess what I might do? We didn't say that yet, guy. Prepare to be amazed. And the trial people are like,
that's what we forgot to say. Be prepared to be amazed. Yep.
You screwed the whole pooch, Coach.
Be prepared. Be prepared. Yes.
You screwed it all up. We got to start the day over. We didn't say it. Shutting the room down, starting over.
Still have 2 left, guys.
It's all right, Jerry. Wait 6 minutes.
241 final target.
You got a minute and a half. You can wait that long, Jerry. You guys will have a setup after the first 6 minutes. Take your time. So Bob, that's the one exception, buddy. If you're in a profitable trade before the open, stay in it. Does that make sense, Bob? Let's say
Done. Boom. Done for the day.
Love
Everybody
it.
got 241. Grandma's target.
That's all right. Next time, you know. Good job, Bob.
$3,000 trade, guys.
Good job sticking to the rules, Bob. Good job. I'm still trailing. Still trailing.
I'm out.
I'm trailing our 8 a.m. trade. Good job. I love it. Here we go. Text Bob. This one's for you.
Good job, Chanel. How many took that trade? Beautiful.
How many are still trailing? Nice job, Hugo. Coaches don't get gongs, Hugo, but good job. Great job, Hugo. I'm done for the day. Love it.
Yeah, well, in a month or two, you get rid of that ATM. It's good in the beginning. Like I said, if you're undisciplined and you get stopped out of huge stops because you don't put a stop in, the ATM will discipline you. After a couple of months, unless you continue to have that problem, there's no need for the ATM. It will not let you trail a trade, obviously.
You should be manually doing it, Kev Dog.
Yeah.
And let me put it this way, Kev Dog. If you join Pro for 1 month, I will personally do 2 coaching sessions with you and help you with your trailing stops. Is that a deal? And then you go back standard. How about that? Hey, there you go. All right. Do it for a month. I got you. I'll take care of you. Everybody knows I am the worst coach on the planet.
I don't know who knows that.
Because I make you do work.
Only reason I got out, guys, there's some institutional buying at 241.
Looks that way.
You want to go back in after this 30-point rally from there, then you may do that, but I'm flat. 40-point rally.
Nice job, Gappy. This one's for you. The Gong of Destiny. I would love to see at least half of our members, meaning 100 people that are here present today, give us a done for the day. I would gladly give out 100 gongs if you guys said that. And you should be on a day like today. I'm still trailing my stop.
I called a short, but damn thing.
Oh.
Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable.
Nice job, Lauren.
Yeah, I got stopped out at 241, got back in 277.
Before too long, we're gonna have to do an Atlanta boot camp. I'd be okay with that.
I'm gonna reboot this thing.
Oh, Paul. I think we do have enough people. We might be of course, Rad. I'll give you 2 gongs or a half gong. Unless your religion doesn't allow gongs, then I won't gong you.
And 9:36, we're back short, guys.
We're working on it, Sarter. Don't be stingy.
Everybody amazed? Who's amazed? Everybody can trade this one now. It's after 9:36.
It's a lot easier for me to do Atlanta boot camp, guys, because it's easy for me to get here. So I
Can you
do
guys
it
hear me?
anytime.
Oh,
Yeah, we can hear you, Coach.
All right. No, I didn't know if I was stepping over you. Sorry.
Nope, just running my mouth. I'm stepping over you. I'm being a jerk today.
You're the cat.
Forgive me. I'm acting like you're trading cat.
You're having fun. That's why we're having fun a little bit and making money, guys.
Stay in the trade, Chad. Stay in the trade. If it's working, stay in it.
255 stop.
All right, Gappy, have a great day. Oh, no. You didn't take two stupid trades, David. I'm trying to catch up on the Kong with a win.
Now, if you're using an ATM, it's going to take you out, and that's it. It's going to, like, if you have a 20-point trailing stop, you're out. There's no way you can get a 80-point trade if it stops you out. But
yeah,
that's in the beginning, guys, you have a whole career ahead of you.
And especially me and you, Sabri. I mean,
yes,
we're working. Sabri,
stop.
Sorry, go ahead.
That's all right. 249 stop, guy.
I just don't understand why everybody didn't follow our stops to begin with and stay in the trade. Sabri, we have a plan. You and I do. You know that. Stick with the ATM for now, okay? I got to get your entries consistent. You got to show me those statistics, Sabri.
239 stop, guy.
Until I get your entries consistent, there's no point in us changing the ATM.
229 stop. And we are full, not yet.
I'm trying to get stopped out of this trade now.
229 is my stop.
I've made too much money on it. You know what I might do, Coach?
Good. What?
I might actually add.
Flat. Okay. Whew.
That's what I'll do.
Now I'm done for the day.
Still trailing. Let's see. What was the original entry price here?
Exhilarating, guys. That's a good way to describe it.
My original entry was, what was you guys' original entry on that short at 8 a.m.?
Oh, God. Right before the report, I'll tell you in a second. Hold on.
I got 513. So I'm trailing a 513 entry and feeling pretty happy about that. 520. Good job, Chad. You got me. No, you didn't. Yeah, you did. Nice.
You're going to laugh, but the first trade was long at 507. We got out at 526, and then we went short at 512. 33, 512 at 756. Been in that trade basically.
I haven't gotten out of the trade. I've been in 513.
Yeah.
What price is right now?
300-point winner.
I'll take it. Do we get music for that? Oh, by the way, you can't play the coach.
I know. Yeah. No. I know. You saw my comment. And you go to jail for making. If you copy this movie, the FBI gets you 5 years. If we play Cucaracha, you get handcuffed. They fast forward into your house.
We actually got in trouble for playing La Cucaracha.
Unbelievable.
Can you guys believe that? We got in trouble for playing it too many times without the copyright license.
Unbelievable. Yeah.
Yeah, we did. That's a real story, Misty. Yep. We can show you the text. Facebook said we will be cut off if we play that song again due to copyright infringements.
Yeah.
I know. It's lame.
Who do you get permission to
Can't
play?
do it.
I mean, can't you like pay him a
You have to
penny?
pay. Yeah, you have to pay for it. You have to pay.
Yeah. Maybe if they want a nickel, I'll pay for it. Or maybe a cucaracha you give them. It's the chief cucaracha that is in charge of it. Strange.
I love the fact that we played it so much because we made so many home runs that they finally were like, if you keep playing this, you've got to
Yeah,
pay.
they're mad. And like, look, these guys
You
making
keep
money
playing
playing
this, you
our
got to pay
song.
us.
Who do they have in court though? Do they like get an insect that's like, yes, I'm a cockroach, and they played my song, and I was dancing to it, you know. And all you guys doing those little videos with the dancing cockroaches, you probably also could get in trouble. You know
Yeah,
how long it takes to train a cockroach to dance like that.
we can play it all we want at home, but we can't play it in front of more than 5 people. No, seriously, that's what they told us.
Oh no,
It's true.
Well, we do make sure that like 125 people leave, so the only 5 left.
Oh, I think it's crazy too, but we did get in trouble for it.
Yeah, no, why do that? Stupid.
We just, this is why we got to pick a new song every month.
Yeah, until they discover us.
I'm still trailing the same short, guys.
Nice. Celine
Hopefully
Dion
you
comes
guys
to your
are
house and kicks the door down with like an M16, you know.
Oh, Rock and Roll Part 2 is awesome. I like that.
I feel sorry for those poor Hollywood people that are making a lot of money, you know, like, but they're the first ones, you know, talking about the homeless and everything, and they have a concert for that.
Is anybody still trailing short with me? Please say yes. Like, give me at least 6 people that are still short.
Yeah, Mr. Market.
Just make me feel
stupid, Mr. Market.
Nice, Nick. I know they should pay us for advertising their song. Nice job, Robert. Are you in close to me, Robert? With their 300-point winner. It's gonna take me out soon. So much like yesterday, guys, I am using every swing point as my stop now. So it's a pretty simple plan. If you're still in with me, every time there's a little swing point made, use that as your stop. Till we get stopped out. I mean, right now I'm at 285. Oh no, I might give back 40 points. $200 something ticks. Oh, okay. Well, we'll count it. I do that a lot of times, Robert. I get kicked out and I kick myself and I get back in and still count it as the same trade. Yeah, that's it. Only make 266, Jerry. What a bummer. What a bummer. Poor Coach Brian. You're only 89? Oh. There is a sell signal, guys, if you are brave enough to take it. I would probably I don't like the hook, but yeah, I would probably hold tight for a second, guys, and just be a little patient. Maybe look for another extra point of confluence. Put a sell stop in, something like that. Don't just jump in and market. If you do, get your 10 ticks quick and move your stops. Looks like we are in some support. So, do anybody do it? Anybody take that 10 ticks quick? Anybody? Good job, Misty. Hey, good job, Coach Hugo.
Swing trades and the scalp
Job,
trades
guys.
all working.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Great job. Great call, Coach.
Yeah, I tend to do this from time to time. Good job, Drew. No loose trade now, guys. Everybody that got back in, get your stops in spot where you can't lose and sit back, change your posture, relax. And I've been working really hard with people on Coach is when they're in a trade, changing their posture to be more relaxed. What do you think about
I think it's amazing, guys. And now you see the reason why Coach pushed you a little bit. Ask the questions, try to get you to, know what you're doing, follow your plan, come up with a reason for doing things. Now you know.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Hopefully, you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your trial, you'll have access to our live trade calls as well as participation in chat to have questions answered by our coaches. After your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access. Visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free trial. Please like, subscribe, and share. As well as if you're interested in getting our daily numbers email, just go to our website and you'll have access to our numbers as well as previous day trades. Once again, please like, subscribe, and share.